Hi. I'm going to install a size guarantee Shopify app. So here I'm going to install. So this is my demo site. So it's called demo site demo myshopify.com. So this is the home page, and let me show the products page. So here are the products. So as for now I have 101 pages of products. So totally 804 products. So let me go to one sample product page. So yeah, so the size guarantee app was not installed yet. So I'm going to install. So I need to navigate to a app store. So let me search on size guarantee. So yeah, so I got the size guarantee app. So I need to click add app. So it will prompting the my Shopify URL. So if you copy my domain name and paste it here. So let me click login. So you need to verify the account. So to be login. So my email and then my Shopify password. So click login. So once the Shopify login authentication success, yeah, it will redirect you to a Shopify app install page. So yeah, so logged in successfully to a size demo admin area. So it will ask you to install app. So we are going to install size guarantee. So here are the terms and what are all the details are collected from this app. So when we click install app, so once the app was installed, automatically redirected to the console saleinterface.com. So they're asking for a register. So these are the informations are from Shopify end. So the app was installed and these are the information provided by Shopify app. So we need to enter password only. So let me give password and confirm password. So yeah, click sign up. You will automatically sign up and log into your dashboard. So yeah, so this is a dashboard. So here the steps to activate the know your size button on my Shopify site. So the first step was completed. So installation of Shopify was completed and set up know your size button. So let me click. So the last thing for a color and text color. So as for now I stick with this. So the font family as Lato. Prefer Lato for now. So let me click next. So on the screen, it will showing the confirmation. So this is the e-commerce store and this is the store URL and platform. So what are all the colors and what type of integration? So it was a Shopify integration. So it was done. So let me click confirm and apply. So, so yeah. So the third process will start automatically. It will take minimum of 10 minutes to 4 hours, depend on the how much of products we have on our Shopify store. So once the product analyzing over, we got notified via email. So we will get once the products done, we will get email from size interface. So waiting for email. So these two steps will automatically enable once the product analysis get over. So we'll check a mail. We also got a mail from support. this corner. So scrapping completed for your site, please check on this console. Yeah. So this process get done. So let me check the product page. So so there is no size button. So need to enable the size button. So enable disable option is here. So you can control by enable disable from this console. So as for now, I'm going to enable. So yeah. So all the process get done. So now I'm going to check one product. So waiting for a button. Yeah. Now we got a button. Know your size. So let me check the apps area. So admin, navigate to apps. So yeah, the size guarantee app was successfully installed. Also process the steps which are provided by size guarantee. So we followed it, and the app get was started using. So if click the app also, you will also automatically navigate it to console. Thank you. So the know your size button has enabled successfully from our console. So we'll check how it's working. So clicking know your size. So getting started. So I'm going with the multiple options here to login. So I'm going with an email. So I have a demo user account. So it's a female product. So let me check with the female demo user account. So it's on demo.female at sizeguarantee.net. So finding the size. Yeah. So we got the size small. So for this user, for this product, this size is a small. Thank you.